Hey friends, hi, welcome to my channel in Gulf Job Station, and I'm Khushbu. Again, I'm here with some more requirements for Qatar location, and this time we have so many requirements. So please watch the video carefully and completely. You are going to get all the details here, including HR ID, company name, company website, and all other details. So, but as I always tell you, if you are interested, if you are looking for a job in Qatar, if your CV and experience are relevant, please do share your CV directly to HR, not to me. And if not, please do share the requirements with other people so that others can get your job. These all the requirements are new, recent. So, and do not forget to verify the company detail. As I always tell you, I don't have any direct company contact. So, the company name here is Steed Fast Qatar. So, as I told you, all the requirements are new and recent, and the location is Qatar. So, the very first requirement they have for landscape designer. For this, they need minimum 5 years of experience, must have architecture background. So, the second requirement they have for draftsman, infra-wet utilities. Minimum 5 years of experience, must have experience in drafting of pipe of severe storm drainage and water system. The next requirement they have for draftsman, dry utilities. Minimum 5 years of experience, must have experience in drafting of cabling, duct, banking, electrical and telecommunication. The next requirement they have for HSE officer, minimum 5 years of experience, must have an ABOSH IGC 123, प्रेफरेबली हिंदी स्पीकिंग. तो एक बहुत प्लस पॉइंट है आपके लिए. So the next requirement they have for mechanical draftsman. The next requirement they have for electrical draftsman. The next requirement is for structural draftsman. And the last requirement they have for quantity surveyor, civil and MEP. So last की जो 4 requirements है, for mechanical draftsman, for electrical draftsman, for structural draftsman and for quantity surveyor, civil and MEP, इनके लिए 2 conditions इन्होंने mention की हुई है यहाँ पर. First condition है candidate must be in Qatar, and second condition है ready to join immediately. But जो इससे पहले की requirements है landscape designer, draftsman, infra-wet utilities, ड्राफ्टमैन ड्राई यूटिलिटीज़ एंड HSE ऑफिसर, इसके लिए इन्होंने कोई भी कंडीशन अप्लाई नहीं की हुई है, ना ही ये कहीं मेंशन है कि लोकल कैंडिडेट चाहिए. सो ये चीज़ें प्लीज़ क्लियर रखिए. मैं कोशिश करूँगी आपको ये चीज़ें अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी क्लियर करूँ. सो अगर आपका CV रिलेवेंट है तो आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. किस ID पे शेयर कर सकते हैं, कंपनी क्या है, इस बारे में बात करते हैं. द कंपनी नेम इज Steed Fast Qatar. It's a big group. You can see on their website, which is www.steedfastqatar.com, which you can see on my screen. They are into engineering services, they are into CAD services, they are into BIM services, HSE officer, QA and QC, quantity surveyor, they are into land surveyor, they are into document controller, they are into so many things. You can check their website, check their website. And now let's talk about how to apply for these jobs. So it's very simple. Let me share you their email ID, which is recruitment@steedqatar, steedfastqatar.com, recruitment@steedfastqatar.com, which you can see again on my screen. So these and the second thing, you can follow the 2 process. The very first process, which mail ID, I have shared you the HR email ID, which I have shared you just now. You can directly share your CV. You can directly send your CV to the given mail ID, or you can go to their website, which is steedfastqatar.com, and go to their career option, and there you'll get a small form where you need to mention name, email, phone number, upload their CV, job role and message, and simply you need to press the click button and you can send. These were the process. You can send your CV directly to the company. Hope it will be useful for you. If you're in Qatar, you can directly go to visit the company and apply for the position. If you are applying online, please do not forget to mention the position name which you are applying for, so it will be easy for HR to get it. So these were the requirements of it will be useful for you guys. If yes, please do share your CV. If not, please do share the requirements with others. And if you like my videos, please do like, share and comment. And do not forget to subscribe my channel so that when I post new video, you will get the link. You will get the notification and you can check the requirements too. Thanks for watching. Please take care of yourself and family. Have a nice time. Bye.